This is why you need chiropractic care after a car accident. Even minor crashes can cause major issues down the line. You might feel fine right after an accident, but days later the pain sets in. Stiff neck, back pain, headaches. Sound familiar? These are your body's warning signs, but don't worry. There's a way to find relief and heal naturally. At Complete Health Chiropractic, we specialize in helping auto accident victims recover from hidden injuries like whiplash and misalignment. Our personalized treatment plans focus on reducing pain, restoring movement, and boosting your overall well-being, without painkillers or invasive treatments. With just a few sessions, you'll start to feel more like yourself again. Don't let your injuries control your life. Chiropractic care not only addresses pain, but it also helps prevent long-term complications. You deserve to heal fully and feel your best. Take the first step toward feeling better. Call Complete Health Chiropractic today at 4024880288 and let's get you on the path to recovery. Please like, share and subscribe.